Hello everyone, this video is about how to change or remove your Nissan Qashqai radio from the auto vehicle itself. In my case, the LCD screen of the radio were broken and I have decided to replace it, and that's why I'm doing this video to show you how can you remove and change. So you have to pick one corner of the bottom control where you are controlling the air conditioner, and I choose the left hand side corner, and if you unclip it, then you can simply remove it. The only important thing what you have to act on is to start with the AC one, the bottom plastic cover. Then you can remove easily the top plastic cover where are all the screws what you have to remove the radio and change the radio. I'm really recommending to use a magnetic Phillips screwdriver because the screws can be dropped off and then it's hard to find them, so it's just use a magnetic one, it's easier. Now pick the radio, pull it closer to you and lift it up. Then you can take it off from the radio holder itself. Then you have to unplug the cables and plug the other radio cables in the same order. It's really hard to miss. So. Once you're done with that, put it in the radio holder, and then it is time to test out if the connections are okay, if the radio is okay, and if all the wires are set correctly. So just test it out before you are putting the plastic covers back in the reverse order. As you take that off, it would be easier to put back the plastic covers than to remove it. If you think this video were helpful for you, please subscribe, like, and leave your comments below in the comment section. Thank you very much.